Okay, so I am making taffy grapes. You will need some grapes. I get green grapes. I've tried it with red grapes. It's not as good. And you're going to need to take them from the stem and wash them. Crushed up peanuts. I buy the dry roasted unsalted. And then I take a little bag with a mallet and I just like crush it up and I put it on a plate. Make sure it's fine because it's harder to eat when they are chunky peanuts. And then you will need white chocolate. I get the Ghirardelli. There's a bunch of people use almond bark as well, but you're gonna want to do like a tablespoon of butter into a cup, a mixing bowl, microwave it